Hello there. Today, I've come to Ueno Onshi Park in Tokyo. This is a well-known place that almost everyone living in the Tokyo area has heard of. It's famous for cherry blossoms, and the park covers about 620,000 square meters, featuring a zoo and museums. But today, I'd like to show you a lesser-known side of the park, from the perspective of a local guide. Let's start in 1625. This area originally belonged to Kanei-ji Temple, built by order of Tokugawa Iemitsu. In 1868, during the Boshin War, the temple grounds became a battlefield, and many buildings were lost to fire. Later, in 1873, it became one of Japan's first public parks, and in 1924, it was gifted to Tokyo City. That's when the word onshi, meaning imperial gift, was added to the name. With that background in mind, let's begin with a must-see spot. Here is the statue of Dr. Borduin, a Dutch physician known as the father of Ueno Park. He promoted Western medicine and worked in Edo, Osaka, and Nagasaki during the late Edo period. The Meiji government had planned to build a hospital here, but he advised preserving it as a park. Thanks to him, Ueno Onshi Park became what it is today. Now let's look at some historical war sites within the park. In 1868, the Battle of Ueno took place here between the Meiji forces and the shogunate. The Meiji side sent 12,000 troops against 3,000 defenders. The battle ended in just half a day. A key factor was the Armstrong gun, a powerful British cannon with long range. You can still see one of its shells inside the Kiyomizu Cannon Hall of Kanei-ji. The Meiji forces were led by Saigo Takamori, whose statue now stands in this park. It was unveiled in 1898, stands 370 centimeters tall, and symbolizes Satsuma's role in the battle. Since the statue is so famous, here are a few fun facts you might not know. After the 1923 Great Kanto earthquake, over 10,000 temporary homes were built in the park. People covered the statue with missing person notices in search of loved ones. Also, in The Last Samurai, the character Katsumoto was inspired by Saigo Takamori. There's even a theory the statue was modeled after his younger brother, not Saigo himself. His wife reportedly said, "That doesn't look like my husband at all." Now, let me introduce a truly unique dining spot I highly recommend. It's next to the Torii Gate of Ueno Toshogu Shrine. Here we are. The shop is called Toshogu Daiichi Baitan, or Toshogu First Snack Stand. Established in 1953, it's been in business for over 70 years. Inside, it feels like a cozy retro diner, perfect for a relaxed meal. The menu features ramen, curry, oyakodon, udon, yakisoba, and grilled skewers. But their specialty is definitely the curry sumen. It started as a staff meal but became so popular that it was added to the menu. Thin noodles are soaked in curry sauce with meat and onions, simple and nostalgic. You won't find this dish anywhere else in Tokyo. It's truly one of a kind. So today, we explored a lesser-known side of Ueno Onshi Park and its rich history. It's an urban natural park that deeply reflects the end of the Edo period and the Meiji Restoration. Next time, we'll take a closer look at more hidden gems in this fascinating area.
Thanks for watching.